So guys, this is how we put the drip line. So we have these and we're just gonna roll it. Okay, so we're gonna put it here. So that's how it looks like. Okay. There you go. Okay. Now we're gonna, so it's over there. We're gonna hook it up here. See, we're gonna hook it up in here. Okay. See this here now? We're gonna put it under here. See that? That's how you put it, and then you start. Hold on, let me just start twisting this. This is how you sealed it. See, just like that. Now we're gonna line it up going over there. Okay, pull it. Pull more. We're gonna pull it so it's straight line. Okay. Okay. So guys, we're gonna do another one. We're just gonna put this here. See that? That's how it looks like. Now you gotta see, that's how you put it on. You do like this all the way. You gotta make sure that it doesn't leak, because once the water is gonna, it needs to, this one needs to kind of tuck it all in here, just like that, and start rolling it. Okay, okay, that's it, guys. That valve is open, but look, guys, off it. So I gotta fix this. See, it's not. So if there is leaking, all you have to do is just take it out and push it back in and do it again. Okay. See, it's fixed, guys. This one, we gotta turn this on. Guys, this one is leaking too, so we gotta fix it. Okay, we gotta fix it. Turn it off. So all you have to do is push it this in. Let's start. Okay. Okay. Oh, I just twist this one. Okay, hold on. I gotta do it again. I just twist this one. Gotta make sure that this is flat when you put it in. Okay, do it again. Okay. See? So guys, I put already the drip line. See? This is how drip line works for the tomato. And I hook it up on there. See that? It's over there. That's where the holes are. Same goes with here with the onions. Oh my god. Awesome, right?